再来看南非昨举行地方甲国会选举，参政政党参选政党的数量嘛拍破纪录，投票所单要转票的民众排队是排甲落长哦。这嘛是南非民主化30年来真罕见的现象。到昨暗的9点投票的时间已经结束，也毋过投票所嘛是阁有真侪人在排队。
南非地方甲国会选举的投票时间是早起7点到暗时9点，真侪所在的投票所7点一开门就出现排甲长落落的人，毋那是约翰尼斯堡、开普敦、德班这几个大都市的选民，拢来投票，高区的乡镇甲农村也共款的景象。有人为到手中的选票等超过7点钟。情况应甲1994年种族隔离制度结束了后，迄场历史性的大选应比伫哩。 暗时9点时间到啊，排列的人依然真济。选会表示9点之前排列的人拢已完成投票证书，各部署警力维护秩序。
I voted for the first time in '94, so it was like to me that I have the same sense of hope, and you know our vote is something that we fought for, so I will definitely wait here for as long as it takes to vote.
It's difficult to call. Until you complete the counting process. Suffice to say, it will probably be well beyond what we had, the 66% we had in 2019.
即前30年的非洲民族议会 ANC 伫高失业率、高犯罪率、基础建设老化严重陷车动头轻甲贪腐者问题影响之下，支持率第一摆落破50%，只有40%。选后恐惊爱甲第二大党，也就是白人色彩正高的民主联盟来拼场，由小党组成联合政府。
The ANC has been saying it must renew itself, so the ANC must do that. It's important because it's got a very important role to play in terms of the future of the country.
南非6200万总人口当中，今年登记投票选民有2800万人，政党数量到破纪录的70个。官方算票结果按算要到6月7日才会出来。公司新闻王慧文报道。